Why do people have to stand 6 feet apart?
We get a lot of questions about this physical distancing. Some people have called it social distancing of 6 feet apart. So that's a really good question. The idea behind the 6 feet number is that this is what people call a droplet-borne disease. And what that means is that the germ can go on respiratory droplets. The best way to think of that is if you sneeze, everybody sneezes, little droplets come out. 6 feet is typically the distance that those droplets are going to fall to the ground before they get around someone else. And so that's where the distance comes from.